Sir,
Yeah,
on plotting, I'm getting like a wobbling graph towards the higher frequencies.
and that is no problem. You are plotting 100% or 10%.
100%.
Like this now.
It is more than this, sir.
Yeah, this is for one. This I am giving A as one only.
Okay.
A as one means it is much less than your value. 4 into 398 into 5518 your value. 100%.
So, is that because we are not taking enough sample points, or?
No, this high frequency means it is 10. This area only now.
Yes, sir.
That is not at all a problem. Because your highest bandwidth means it maximum 10 times 50 years, 60 years, it is fine.
Okay. So, for which part do we have to give the sinusoidal input?
Yeah, last D part.
Okay.
That sinusoidal input 100% and 10% command amplitude, and you have to only do this command. Yeah, speed or characteristics now. If you are doing this command, you will get the upper half and lower half of 100% command. And 10% command you are doing, you will get inner on inside on locus you will get. Yeah, this is why how you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I changed my parameter values to k1 by 10. It is 177. Now also I am getting like this only.
Like sir, for now, I was using a lower value of that amplitude. You are using 100%, right?
100%.
Yeah. Now I'm using 100%, but sir, like in the end, it's becoming almost linear. After a small curvature, there is.
Yeah, that is my problem. But I am doing a frequency up to 100 only. You are also doing for 100 now.
Till 100 only. Same. In the same plot, the plot is not matching. Like in your case, it is falling very quickly after 1 hertz, and then the rate at which it decreases, it becomes almost same or constant. In my case, like it is not falling to that limit. That
Yeah, you
curvature is
are
not there.
that this ki is equal to k1 by 10 I am using now, and this is actually 0. This external disturbance is 0. External disturbance I am giving 0, and this limit is plus or minus 13. This limit is plus or minus vs 28.
Sir, what was your final value in the external disturbance?
External disturbance 0 only.
It's
0.
okay, multiplied by 0. Yeah, same. I have given also 0.
Yeah, this limit is t time limit. Last integrator limit is t time limit. This integrator limit is plus or minus 13. Here it is plus or minus vs.
Yeah.
Check those values, and this is minus only. And here also minus is coming. Here also feedback. Negative feedback. Here also negative. Here also negative. TFR. These things you are checking can. Yeah, and your configuration parameter also you check it 0.001. Otherwise it will not run. That is sure. If your model configuration parameter having some variation, it won't run, because 0.001 you are sampling this one, and you are giving DTFA for 0.001 only. So that mismatch will come if you are not using that configuration parameter. Some error will come. The P and Q values, something will come. If it is running, means it is the parameter value somewhere. You have to check it. This parameter value. This B1 you are using now here.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, in your model, why KI integrator is connected before KP? It should not be after KP means I'm not sure.
Yes.
This one you are getting now?
No, sir. Like, I'll check the parameters.
Sir, in my case also around 10 to the power 1 till 10 to the power 1 it is 0 and after that it is falling.
10 to the power 1, no, it is 0. Magnitude.
I would run it again.
This
Magnitude is not 0. Magnitude is some part, but it is constant till 10 to the power 1 and after that it is a little
actually,
bit before 2.
it is designed for 5 Hz. So it is coming around this 5 Hz means minus 3 dB bandwidth should be around 5. Only thing is that this is J and B1. No? And this is minus,
Yes, sir.
and here it is 0 plus, plus or minus 13 plus or minus Vs. I am getting like this curve only.
So can you show the phase speed versus torque? Because my this plot is matching, but that is not coming correctly.
That is simple only. You can share your screen. You can share your screen.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, can you see the MATLAB plot?
Yeah.
It is drawing something else.
Yeah, 10% command only. No?
Is this correct?
Your sine wave you take it.
Yes, sir. This is my
Yeah, you double click on that sine wave. Your frequency is 5 Hz only, no?
Okay.
Radian per second only. You have to 5 Hz only it is given. You have to convert that. It is given 5 radian per second. But you have to apply 5 Hz. Yeah, 5 into 2 pi. Fine. Okay. That is 100%, na?
Yes, sir.
Now you plot it. That plot command, run that one. Yeah. You clear all. No, you are at the grid of hold on off, hold off, hold. That command in the hold off.
Oh, okay.
No, hold off. You just click hold off. Enter. Then close the figure. Then you again run it. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Now you run, do it for 10%. Why you are close to that one? And no problem. Now you do for 10%. Into 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. Yeah, okay. Run it. Yeah, again you that command copy paste. Enter. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
That is because your arm that frequency was very less. That is a problem. Frequency is changing. That will also this that inner circle, inner that blue color only you are got earlier. That is for 1 hertz only.
Okay.
This is for 5 hertz. Yeah, this much only. So those who are complete, they can leave. Those who are not here also, they can leave. So we can stop it here. Any doubt is there, you can mail me. So any doubts regarding these things, you can mail me. Otherwise, Friday's class you can attend. So thank you very much.